Alright, welcome back everybody to YouTube channel ICOexpert, and as you can see we continue to do videos from Malta Blockchain Summit. Today is going to be the second day, and today we are going to show you the best ICOs, in my opinion, which we met at this conference, so you will understand the quality of them and why they are so cool ones. So are you ready? Let's go! Okay, we are back, and as you know we are covering top 3 ICO in my opinion, which I met at Malta Blockchain Summit. And as you can see is another one with the name battery storage. Our company is Robert. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Can you please tell us about, in a couple of words, about what is this project is all about, that our viewers will understand why you are a good one?
Yeah. So battery storage, the idea behind this is how we can enhance the utilization of renewable energy in a predictable format while utilizing the benefits of blockchain in giving all of our investors the opportunity to see real time how they're generating those incomes. The issue that we have currently with renewable generation is it's unpredictable, and there are times when it produces energy that has no users to consume that power, and other times we have a deficit of energy which gives us a continued reliance on fossil fuel. So by achieving the ability to utilize this overproduction of renewable energy, capture it and use it at a later date, gives us massive advantages for low cost energy, and then gives our investors the opportunity to benefit from that.
Okay, cool. Just please explain how big is this market, in your opinion. Because I know it's very difficult to make numbers, but in your opinion.
So when we're looking at the storage market, global storage market, it has grown 500% in the last few years. The main factor for this is the cost of the technology has dropped around 80% in the same sort of period. Also, with more and more users coming online, we need to find ways that we can become more reliant on self-generated renewable power. So we are going to see the growth in this market exponentially over the next decade.
And yes, tell us about, you said about the number of partners which you have, so the big names in the industry, right? Can you tell us a little bit leak information about that if you can?
Yeah, no, certainly. So we are working with the likes of Samsung, Centrica, and I think collectively the net wealth of our partners is around 13.5 billion euros. So we should be able to give the security to our investors that we want to. And this is one of the prime reasons we're going down the STO route, because we want to show the securitization within this.
So you are going to use security tokens?
We are, yes.
Funny thing that I choose 3 best ICOs and all of them are using security tokens.
Yeah, I mean, I think when we look at the ICOs that have gone before, and I think certain people made reference to this yesterday, be it the correct judgment or incorrect judgment, there was an explosion of ICOs. And unfortunately it was within an unregulated sector. So I think it has had bad publicity, and I think the STO is a real step forward for us to have these secure, when we're looking for people's money, we want them to be safe, we want them to be secure. So I think this is a fantastic step forward to really promote what we're trying to do in blockchain and cryptocurrency.
Robert, thanks for staying, for sharing this information. I want to remind that battery storage might be one of the top 3 ICO which I met here, and we need to pay close attention to how your products will be going. And I'm wishing you that you will close your hard cap as soon as possible.
Thank you very much indeed.
We are back, and as we know, we are showing top 3 ICO, in my opinion, which I met during this Malta Blockchain Summit.
Thank you.
And in front of me is, as you can see, project RESIDING.
Yes.
Correctly pronounced?
Correct, yes. Thank you very much.
Please explain in a couple words about the main idea of this project. What is this all about?
Great. So RESIDING is a real estate investment platform, estate asset, and then buy in for as little as $100. That $100 will give them access to the rental income and also the appreciated value of that property. It's essentially a digital share representation of ownership in that property.
Okay, so you're trying to tokenize the real estate market? Like,
definitely.
But it's a huge one.
Yes, it's the largest asset class in the world. It's about $280 trillion, but it's the most illiquid. Only 1.4 trillion trades per year, and that's less than 1%.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I can see that you are doing security trading.
Yes. So how we're making it liquid is that we're allowing people to tokenize their real estate asset, but then secondary trade.
Okay.
So if they want to sell their, in a typical real estate transaction, if you and I brought a property together, basically we would both be on title. And if you wanted to sell because you're going to get married, I would actually have to come up with your money to buy you out, or we would have to sell the property. Okay, here, with tokenizing the real estate asset, we can have 100 people buying into one property and we wouldn't have to know each other. So basically, if you wanted to sell and get liquid, you would actually put your tokens on to our security exchange, and then basically you'd be able to sell your tokens.
Okay. And remind me, please, where are your companies based? What is the jurisdiction you choose for security tokens?
Perfect. So we're actually a Vancouver-based company, and we just set up a company here in Malta. 2 of my co-founders will be moving to Malta, and we'll be setting up a development team here.
Okay, cool. Yesterday you made a pitch here on the pitch competition. Unfortunately, I didn't have a chance to listen. In a couple of words, in your opinion, how it went?
It went really well. I think that the challenge with the other gentleman that won was that we didn't have revenues yet. Our first property will be on the platform within the next 30 days. We already have $830 million of assets that will be put onto our platform by Q1 of 2019. So we'll already have revenues by the time the first property comes onto the platform.
All right, thanks for staying with us and for sharing your company with us.
Thank you.
All right, we are back, and finally I'm happy to present the winner from ICO pitch from yesterday conference.
Great to be here.
Yes, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
Can you please make a little bit introduction about who you are and what you are doing?
Of course, my name is Max. I'm the Chief Product Officer at RISE.
Okay.
RISE is an AI asset manager. We've been active since the last 6 years in traditional markets, been managing stocks, forex, bonds, etc., trading, and all with automated strategies. Been beating markets, beating hedge funds, and beating most institutions. And now, since a year, we're also doing crypto. Right. Our crypto funds have performed extremely well, very stable, but we've been up 51% year to date. And now, starting on Monday, we're actually hosting a security token sale, where everyone can get their money managed by AI.
So you are doing security tokens.
That's right.
There is a real value behind of your company, right?
Yeah, true. And actually a fully compliant one made in Germany.
Wow.
Yeah, I know.
Can you imagine how long it takes?
Oh man, we invested a lot of money and spent a lot of time, but now it's actually the first compliant security token.
Congratulations. I think maybe even in whole Europe.
Yeah, true. And actually we wanted, our company is operational and been running in Germany, in Munich, for the last 6 years.
Okay.
We've been founded in 2012 by a serial entrepreneur, Stefan Tittel, who actually exited companies worth $250 million and said, like, I need a good way and a tech-powered way to manage assets. And that's why I built Rise. And we wanted to be in Munich, in Germany, which is why we're also hosting our token sale there.
Can I come to your office one day?
Yes, please. Yeah, anyone can come.
Okay, I'll be glad to come to you.
Yeah.
Why you think yesterday you won? I think that like judges gave you 10 score out of 10.
Exactly. They said best product, best pitch of the Malta Blockchain Summit.
I missed it. I'm sorry because we made big interviews, but why? Just in a couple of words explaining me how you won it.
I actually think because we are the best product. The reason is we have an existing product that has traction, product and revenue. So we could show the judges that what we're doing really has legs, it already works, and we have a very, very big vision. And basically investing, automated investing powered by AI is just something that people understand, very easy to pitch, and has a true value add for the investor. And that was why we won the whole pitch. Yeah.
How was yesterday? I think it was crazy day yesterday.
Oh man,
here.
I mean,
it's like so many visitors, and you need to talk from 9 o'clock in the morning till...
I was here from 9 to like 8 p.m. at night. Literally every 5 minutes people were coming, and it's just crazy.
Good, like, fresh.
Yeah, I had an early night yesterday and no parties, so... No, but like every 5 minutes, and we saw so many people who wanted to invest in our product because we're legit, we're here, and it's good.
I'm not surprised that judges gave you 10 out of 10. So I just want to remind you that we are making an interview with Rise ICO with Maximilian.
The website is rise.eco. And from Monday onwards you can invest at noon, and we're open for anyone. Actually, we've seen crazy traction with our token sale. We have over 90,000 people on our investor whitelist. We done a viral video that received over 100 million views. Yeah, we have a pretty good marketing department. And it's basically fully compliant token sale made in Germany, so there's no reason not to invest. Yeah.
All right, thank you very much, and congratulations to you again. All right, we are back to our YouTube channel ICOexpert, and as you can see, the conference Blockchain Summit is coming to the end. The second day is over. Today I just want to summarize what we just learned. We met great 3 ICOs which I met here in this summit. I tested how to fly, and it's remind me the blockchain industry about cryptocurrency, how it is going up and down. But the show is over, so I think that you enjoyed it like I enjoyed it. So please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel ICOexpert. Bye for now.